Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of slope-intercept form. This is standard 7.7a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 41 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a store and we are selling new video games. All right, so that's going to be important for us to kind of pull out here. So new, I'm going to say that's just N, equals $55 each. Used video games, $12 each. That makes sense. So U equals 12. And so he's going to buy 3 new video games. And then X, so an unknown number of used games, which equation can be used to find Y, the total price Jacob must find in dollars. So you notice that all of our answer choices here are in the slope-intercept form, Y equals mx plus b, where b is this y-intercept and m is the slope. And so we can find this without using the graph, but you can actually graph the answer to this. So first, let's see if we can just figure out this answer. We know everything except how many used video games he's going to sell. So let's just make a little table here, right? Let's say we've got our used video games. I'm going to say used. I'm going to say new. And then we'll just say like our total. We'll just kind of get an idea of what's going on. So the used video games, that's the unknown. So we're just going to put an X right there. We know they're $12 each, right? So I'm just going to say, let's say $12 times whatever that number is. We do know that he wants to buy 3. Let's put it 55. I didn't put enough room there. Let's put it 55 right there. We know he wants to buy $55 worth of video games, and there's going to be 3 of them for these new ones. So what is 55 times 3? Let's go ahead and figure that out. It's 15. That's 165. All right. So we can make a little table with, I'm just going to put 3 equals 165. Because they already gave that to us, that we know that we've got 3. So no matter what we do, right, it's going to be, we're going to add this 165. So, I mean, if he bought, let's say he buys 0. Right, he buys 0 used games. So his total would just equal 0 plus 165, right? And so that's just going to be 165. Let's say he buys 1 used game. That's $12. He's still going to have that 165. That's not changing. And so that's just going to add 12. That's going to be 177. We could just keep going up and up and up. The thing is we don't really know how many used games he's going to get. But we do know it's going to be $12 each. And so let's see if we can put that together. Add another 12, 189, so on and so forth. So we're looking for Y is going to be our total. Okay. So our Y, put that right here. We've got 2 different things here. We have this, which is unknown. The X is the number of used video games. We do know that they cost $12 each. And we just multiply it by X because we don't know how many we're going to buy. But we do know that no matter what, we're at least paying 165. So we can go ahead and add that in there. And you see we've got our slope-intercept form. This is our y-intercept right here. So if we wanted to graph this, this would be where the line crosses the y-axis, where the x is 0. And this is our slope. This is the slope of our line because it's going to go up by 12 because that's how much it costs. So the answer here is B.